Yo, good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. Welcome back to the crypto world, everybody. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, everybody. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you guys are not having a fantastic day, let me solve your problem of how you guys can buy Tether or USDT on Gate.io. So for those people who do not know Gate.io, Gate.io is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, alright? So if you guys do not know, Tether or USDT, let me make you guys familiar with Tether. Basically, Tether is a stable coin which is backed with, US dollar, which means if you're buying one Tether, you're basically purchasing $1. Now, why it is called stable coin? Because it's stable. Have you ever heard $1 become 2 or 3 dollar? No, that's basically what Tether is. If you buy $1, even after 10 years, 20 years, it's still gonna be $1, all right? So that's basically what buying Tether means. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to Gate.io, which is the official website of Gate, and log in into your account. After you do that, you just go on, scroll a bit down, and you want to, click on the search bar. You want to search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, it's going to show you USDT and underscore USD, USDT underscore CNYX, which means which currency you guys are going to use to buy USDT. So let's say I want to buy USDT using USD. So I'm going to click on USDT underscore USD. Now remember, when you're buying USDT, the USDT section needs to be in front. If the USDT section is like after like this underscore, then basically you are not buying USDT, you are using USDT, all right? So the USDT needs to be in front of the underscore. So I'm using USD, so USDT underscore USD, click on it. It's going to take you to the buying section of it. You need to wait for a bit of time. Now once you're over here, you need to scroll a bit down, and you want to enter like the amount of USDT you want to purchase. So I want to purchase around 25 USDT. So I'm going to enter 25. My total is going to be 25 over here. So I'm going to scroll a bit down and click on buy USDT. So it shows USD and add it to USDT, which means USD is being used to buy USDT. So just click on this and your USDT will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy Tether on Gate.io. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Vijay Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.